myself, all by myself. So you see, she sleep, I'm up. It's like 11 something at night, and the phone hit 3%. I'm trying to do a quick prank on her, and everybody hit that subscribe button down below, and I will do subscribe with a month. So let's just start with the prank on Kanisha. It's back. Look at the camera set up. The prank her back, guys. Let's go. Y'all see her? So let's go. Let's get to the video. Kanisha, Kanisha, it's a tornado, Kanisha. It's a tornado, I'm gonna take the tornado and hand it away. Kanisha, it's a tornado here. Now, when Mom said pack some clothes, get the beach bag. Come on, let's go. Get your book bag. Come on, hurry up. It's a tornado. Come on, we gotta get ready. Get everything. Get the trophy. Get everything, Kanisha. Kanisha, come on. It's a tornado. It's a tornado.
Really?
It's a tornado.
Is this a prank?
That was a prank. I think it's a prank.
I'm tired.
But it's just a tornado. You pick up. Oh my God. My heart is pounding right now. Get everything.
Let's go.
But you take off. Mama said, hold on, come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, chew up back. Come on, let's go. Go to the bathroom. She's mad. She's mad. Frank, you just got busted.
I already know.
It's busted. It's busted. Oh my God. You mad? Yeah, sorry. Frank, Kanisha, she feels like a sore loser. So, let's go. Y'all hit the subscribe button and like button. And guys, y'all know I love y'all, so let's go. But we might be posting a little bit, but we got y'all, so